All right, so this is day one in the BVIs. We just came from a little flight with Carrie on Island Birds. Fantastic. Dropped off Chucky and gang, and we're going to try and find our boat. We haven't found it yet. We haven't looked for it. But this is the rig that we got to use for a few days to pick the motor up. And she is beautiful. Really nice. Even comes with a spare tire. Okay, let's do it. What so Nanny Key Marina, and this is where we left the boat, so we're hoping it's still here. You gotta drive on the left.
Think left. Left.
Oh, beautiful boats there. Great spot. We got pretty hard with the hurricane, but they are doing a fantastic job. They're doing this. Let's see, I gotta try and remember which way we need to go here. That don't look right, does it?
No, I wouldn't go in there.
That is the way we gotta go.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
It doesn't look.
It looks like they just paved that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if,
I'm not sure we should go down there.
yeah. That cement's dry, eh? You're not supposed to drive on there? My boat's in the back there.
Evening.
Hey, there's the boat that we took our sailing lessons on.
Oh, piranha. That's a piranha.
No kidding. Yeah, that's where we apparently learned to sail. Oh, I'm surprised it's not in. Nice to see it's alive. That's good. I was wondering today if it was dead.
Huh?
Well, somewhere down here, we might find our boat. Look at this great big power boat here, big holes in the bottom. You could get her for a song, Chucky.
Love the squeaks in the truck. Kenora, Ontario. That boat is from Kenora.
Apparently. See her in the water in tonight?
Registered. It's registered. Wilmington, Delaware. That's where our boat's registered. Hi, TD. Hi, TD. Oh, I see wishbone over there.
It is like a boat.
Over there is a wishbone.
Hey, look at this. Holy shit. How are we going to get that motor in there? That boat was not there last time. Man, they just love doing this, don't they?
Our boat's way back in there.
Donnie, cancel your gym membership, brother. Holy, we got to get the motor all snaked back in there. So we can't use crane. Remember we thought we might use crane? We're not using crane. Might use crane from here. Jeez, we need George. George, bring the 300 tonner. Holy. All right. Here we are. So it's locked. Need a key. If you own a sailboat, where would you leave a key?
Paint.
Let's find out.
In a glove.
Let's find
I
out.
would just like right there.
Fantastic. Right. The wind be boat normal. She's good. 20 out of these. It's 20 out of these. Like at all times down here. I don't know how power boaters exist. You definitely want a sailboat down here. So this is Daydream Believer. There she is. Unstayed mast. Wonder if you think that mast would lock the engine in. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Robin hasn't been in here in 2 years. You might recall I was here with Dougie about 6 months ago. So the first thing we always do is open every window possible and air her out.
But it's not bad. It's not bad in your teeth.
Do the sniff test. What do you think?
It's not bad. Oh my god, look. Oops. That was pretty bad. Look at all the Q-tips. Who buys a whole thing of Q-tips? That's craziness right there.
Well, I don't know if Dougie and I had something to do with that. I'm not quite sure at
I
this
guess
point.
you have to comply all the...
All right. There's Head, the shower. I don't know if you've ever been on DB, but she's rigged out pretty good up front. This is the master suite. And of course, we got to set all that up and stuff, but we'll get to all that goodness. All right. Let's see where we are anchored tonight. Pretty well. And behind those steps lies the issue. Dun dun. Oh, the motor's still in there. I thought somebody might have took it out.